I'll be showing you a few automations which we have prepared for you for the upcoming human resource automation workshop. So one of them is a recruitment tracker. So very simple sheet where the recruiter will just fill a small form with a few details of the candidates. Now there will be a complete dashboard where all the information will be shared here. You can see आप job title wise you can see all the position wise क्या status है, हर महीने के हिसाब से क्या status है. We have a funnel as well. Recruitment status का funnel क्या है? We see the status of each and every recruiter. So this is the total status. Suppose now total 33 has applied. If I want to see the status by a recruiter, so if I just put a drop down, I will see the number exactly. एक graphical representation भी है. We also have a detailed analysis of each and every recruiter कि हर एक महीने उन्होंने क्या क्या किया. How many were shortlisted, how many interviewed, offered, reject, joined. So you see this is an interactive dashboard. आपको बस एक दो जगह drop down click करना है and you'll get the results. So इस तरह we can evaluate the performance of each and every recruiter and also the performance of the HR department as a whole. Secondly, one more thing which I'd like to show you, I'm just giving a glimpse here. So during the time of joining, we have to follow a checklist कि onboarding सही से हुआ या नहीं हुआ. So an automated checklist has been created. Whenever you have done the things that you are supposed to do before joining and on the day of joining, you have to put a tick here. अगर आपने किसी चीज़ पे tick नहीं डाला यहाँ पे, that means you have not done that work. So what will happen is, naturally the HR might forget कि next day he or she has to do this thing. But our system will not let you forget. जहाँ जहाँ पे tick नहीं है, you will get an email every day along with the name mentioned कि Mr. So and so, these are the things pending. So keeping the boss also in CC. तो हर एक हफ्ते हर एक दिन आपके पास एक मेल आएगी, so you'll not at least forget the work. So this way this checklist has been automated. Another thing very important which is not really done very effectively in HR is how to budget your expenses. So HR also has some yearly expenses which has to be budgeted और उसका proper reporting भी होना चाहिए. So just to give you an example, you see a sheet here where all these topics has been mentioned कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ expenses आप कर सकते हो and the subtopics. We will define for each and every category and subcategory and every month wise we'll define a budget. साल के starting में define करेंगे कि this is the expenses I'll be incurring. Now what will happen is, as each and every month goes, we will be starting to fill this detail कि मेरे admin में printing में इतना expense हुआ है. So once you have done for each and every month, so again you can just click on this tab and you'll go to that folder. आप देख रहे हो जैसे click कर रहे हो आप उस पर tab पे जा रहे हो. So once you have done everything, आप इसका report भी निकाल सकते हो. So see, I see here कि month wise आपने कितना budget दिया था और कितना आपने खर्चा किया है. So do you have a balance or a excess? Similarly, ये हो गया monthly wise. एक और हो गया category wise जो हमने सब headings बनाए थे, HR, admin, training and development. What was the case of each and every case, each and every topic? इसका भी expense आप देख पा रहे हैं. Next is each and every subcategory also has a analysis कि हमने न्यू ज्वाइनिंग पे क्या बजट बनाया था और क्या एक्चुअली खर्चा किया हमने. सो इन दिस वे यू सी ऑल द थिंग्स आर ऑटोमेटेड. आपको ग्राफिकल प्रेजेंटेशन भी मिल रहा है एंड यू ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन सेंड दिस एज एन ईमेल टू योरसेल्फ ऑन अ मंथली बेसिस ताकि आप एटलीस्ट यू आर अवेयर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद द HR डिपार्टमेंट. सो गाइज दिस इज जस्ट अ फ्यू एग्जाम्पल. आई हैव क्रिएटेड lots more automations. So if you are interested, you can click on this link and then register yourself. We'll be starting next Wednesday. So hope to see you soon. Thank you.